Hey everyone, Ed here with Michelle and the Great Indoors, and today we are in Warrensville Heights, Ohio, and this is what we're going to do. There's a food court going on right behind us. I got $40 cash right here, 20 for Michelle,
Thank
20
you.
for me, and we're going to get in there and see what we can get for lunch in these food courts. Are you guys ready?
I'm ready.
Are you ready?
I'm ready.
All right, let's go and check it out. Like, comment, and subscribe to the Great Indoors. Okay, I might have said food court in the intro, but I meant food truck. I've always wanted to do a food truck review, and today is the day. They got like an eating area over here. I may have to take the food to the car and eat it there because of the music going on over here. That darn music. This is the Dawg bowl. Ooh, look at that, kickin' Cajun wings. Dawg hush puppies, Cajun fries, dirty rice, deep fried corn coblets, po' boy, another place that's got po' boys. Ooh, look at that, shrimp po' boy, $13, chicken, 11, catfish, 13, and I'm not going to try to pronounce that, 13, a bio burger, a jumbo, this is crazy. They got everything that I could possibly get into. Look at that, jambalaya, shrimp and grits. And this is the Dawg bowl over here. All right. And I got to find Michelle. She's around here somewhere. This is the Dr. Hibachi over here. All right. Michelle, have you found something that you're interested in yet?
Well, Dr. Hibachi.
Well, you got to talk to the camera.
Well, Dr. Hibachi has a bonus. It's all with rice and all your proteins, but they got Coca-Cola products.
We have Coke in the car, so Coca-Cola in the car, and you got your unsweetened iced tea. So that's already good, but are you leaning toward the hibachi over here?
I don't know. I like the saying, make me happy, eat all my food.
Okay. Like well, you like the truck. Okay.
Dr. Feel Good. Okay.
And this is sponsored by Life Bank over here, lifebank.org. So that's pretty cool. I'm leaning towards something from the Dawg bowl, but I'll bring you guys back when we're ready to order. Okay, I'm in the line for the Dawg bowl, and right at the top is the Kickin' Cajun wings. I'm gonna get a small order of that, and maybe some Cajun fries to go with that. Look at that cute little baby over there. Okay, and Michelle is in that one over there, where they had all the fried food over there. So I'll meet you guys back in the car once the food comes out. All right. The Cajun are slow roasted and fried to perfection, and then they're tossed in their homemade Cajun wing sauce. And I'm gonna go with the dog pound instead of the Cajun fries. They're stuffed with onions, peppers, celery, and sausage. Pretty cool.
A big one.
All right. Okay, so Michelle, you're still waiting in line. What are you gonna get here?
Well, it's feed my belly.
Okay, yeah.
And then I'm gonna get a 15-piece popcorn chicken with fries.
Okay, I'll insert a picture and then I'll bring you guys back at the car.
Okay.
All right. Okay, I'm back at the car and Michelle is still waiting for her order. So this gives me a chance to show you what I got before Michelle gets here and shows you guys what she got. But she already told me I gave her 20 bucks and she gave me $10. So whatever she got was, $10 in value. So she already has saved money more than me. I spent $19 and whatever I gave as a tip. But this is the hush puppies that have the onion and the celery and the sausage stuffed into it. And you get this special dipping sauce to go with it. And it looks a lot like the Boom Boom sauce that you get. The zesty sauce that you would see at Burger King. Okay, I think that is pretty much what we're looking at. Kind of like what I was saying, Boom Boom sauce, zesty sauce, Burger King, same deal. Right there. And the prized possession of this trip for me, the Cajun Kickin' Wings. And the young man in front of me that was there with his wife and child, he ended up getting these wings as well. And they look awesome, baby, and spicy and hot. So we're gonna get into that after we try the hush puppies. All right, as you can see, they're slow roasted and deep fried. I think that's the wings that they're talking about. These are probably just deep fried over here. And I'm gonna do a favor first for you. I'm gonna break it in half to show you what the inside of it looks. Okay, there you go. There's the onion, and it looks like a jalapeno in there. They said there's a sausage built into it. Okay, there you go. Let's just try it without the dipping sauce. Yeah, I can see the sausage right there on it. Wow. That's pretty good. It doesn't need the dipping sauce, but we gotta do it. Oh, look at that. Nice. Very zesty. The sauce is very zesty. It sets off the hush puppy perfectly. Real good. All right. I bought the Coca-Cola at a gas station on the way in here. Here comes Michelle. I'll bring you guys back when she gets settled in. Okay, Michelle, what did you get there now?
I got...
Show them in the camera.
I got fresh...
Hold on, just go ahead.
Fresh cut fries and popcorn chicken hand-breaded with a mango chili sauce, homemade, and they had ranch, buffalo.
This is what the chicken...
Yeah,
okay.
they just deep, you know, like did
I'm going
the
to try
breading.
one. I'm going to try one.
Okay. And they cut up the white meat, and then they put their signature breading on them, excuse me, and then all homemade dipping sauces. They had ranch, mango chili I got over here, blue cheese and honey mustard if I wanted that, and then
since you let me try one of your chickens, let me let you try one of my hush puppies over here, Michelle.
Okay.
I'm going to dunk it for you.
Ooh, that's a huge one.
There you go. Give that a try.
Thank you.
You're going to love that.
Hush puppies.
Look at those wings. I'm going to have one as Michelle is munching on that. And I got to be very careful because we did not get napkins. I did. They didn't have napkins where I was at. So, look, very meaty, like that. And look at how it's got the season, like, what is that, parsley on there? All right.
What flavor of chicken wings did you get?
They're kicking Cajun.
Not bad.
Yeah. This was definitely worth the wait. And there was a lot of people ahead of me, but the line moved along rather quickly. I think my line moved actually faster than Michelle's line.
Yeah, mine was called Feed My Belly. It's a husband and wife with 9 of their children, and the cash register operator was Brooklyn, their youngest, but they're expecting their 9th child in September. So congratulations to them.
What did you think of the hush puppy, Michelle? I'm
still working on it, but that is really good with that dipping sauce.
Yeah. All right, look at that.
Bam.
I'm glad we found this. We were driving through here on Tuesday, and I saw the sign up front that they were going to have a food truck from 11 to 2 at the municipal center over here in Warrensville Heights. And I'm like, Michelle, I don't know what we're going in that area for a job. We need to go there and get lunch before we get to that job. So here you go.
Absolutely, very good. How was the popcorn chicken?
That was really good. You're going to enjoy it. Why don't you try one now so that we can get it on camera? Okay? Because I'm going to switch back over to one of my hush puppies in the meantime. Oh yeah, that.
It has the mango chili sauce on it already.
Yeah, this zesty sauce is outstanding. Put more of that on there.
Just try that mango chili.
You could even try some of that on your fries and your popcorn shrimp too. This stuff is really good. Good eating.
And mine costs $10 for all this.
You find a good value. All right.
Want to try some of that mango chili on your wing?
I got enough seasoning on that.
Okay.
But what I will do, try one of your fries on there. I like that. That's nice. Very smooth.
Yes.
It goes well. I would imagine that sauce goes good with anything. Let's do another one of those. Oops.
Thank you, Feed My Belly.
There was a guy in line behind me, and his name was Ed. And I was talking to him about how he was wearing a white shirt. And I'm like, you are a very brave man, because if I was wearing a white shirt, I would have all over, you know. But it's kind of funny because his name was Ed, my name was Ed, and so when they called out my order, Ed, he was right there, and they gave him, because they didn't look at it, and he's like, I didn't think I got what this guy got over here. So we ended up switching our orders around. But we both were in the same place, the Dawg Bowl, Cajun style food. So us Eds must think alike. We have good taste in food.
I like my name, Feed My Belly.
Yeah, that is definitely so you, Michelle. Feed your belly. She actually says that when we talk. I gotta feed my belly. Okay.
But check them out. They're on Facebook and Instagram.
Yeah.
And soon to be YouTube. Feed My Belly.
All right. Well, I'll bring you guys back when we're doing closing comments. Okay. Like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle, of course. Okay, mission accomplished. I got to finish my food ahead of Michelle. And Michelle, for the video, did you finish all your food?
I only finished the chicken.
Yeah.
There were so many French fries, but they were seasoned very well. Yeah. I really liked them a lot. You know, you didn't even need dipping sauce. You didn't need ketchup or mayonnaise or ranch. It came with good flavoring on them.
Well, being the team player that I am, I helped her finish the fries with that sweet and sour dipping sauce that you had with it.
Mango.
Mango
chili.
But it's kind of like a sweet and sour. It's like a more sweet than sour, but it's pretty good. I liked it a lot. And my wings were outstanding. I got 6, and that was like $11 for the 6 wings, but it was definitely worth the price. They're hot and spicy.
Just like you.
Just the way I like it, yeah.
Just like you.
Oh, yeah.
Hot and spicy.
Oh, thank you. And you're pretty good yourself once in a while, okay?
Okay. I'm not chicken to say
Especially
anything.
when she's sleeping. She's really great when she's sleeping.
I'm not going to be chicken to tell you that, but okay.
But all in all, you enjoyed your food?
Absolutely.
I really enjoyed the hush puppies and the wings. And if you guys know of any trailer food trucks like this, put it in the comments and let me know. I love these little things where there's multiple trucks in one location, so you can get multiple choices. You know, I want to make a whole series of these videos if I could. So anyway, like, comment, and subscribe to The Great Indoors with Ed and Michelle here in Warrensville Heights Food Truck Day. And there you go. That's a video. Like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you guys in the next video.
Feed my belly anytime.
Bye.
Bye. Love you all.